Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another deep explanation video. Yes, this video I have done already on last weekend, but I was not happy with it, so I removed it because I have not provided all information which I want to put in this kind of video. And I will do a put now. Look at this, I'm doing a put, and I will show you later exactly those kind of concepts which I have used here. Yes, because somebody could say, okay, we have here a purchasing line pattern, why are you doing a put here? But I can explain you, that is what I will explain you later in this kind of video, which is about how to trade price action patterns with candlestick math and candlestick psychology. And the reason why I'm doing a put here is simple. We have here a pullback to key level in a major downtrend and in a minor downtrend, yes, and that's the reason why I'm doing here a put. And I'm sure that this will be in the money only because I followed those kind of concepts which I will explain you in a few minutes after I have done the introduction, because I got so many questions over and over again, always the same question, and I want to eliminate this kind of question because they are really time consuming. So the next trade would in this case a call, yes. I will not do this because I have only a limited time, and I try to explain you fast those few things which I have to do. And then you see that is a retracement back to key level, and after this retracement we are getting into a trend continuation. So I will show you now what I mean. This kind of video, this will be a really high educational video. On the last video I got comments that there are some subscribers who are really who are telling me blah blah blah, we don't need this kind of theoretical stuff. Yes, but I can tell you this theory is the most important stuff. If you don't understand those concepts, those things which I'm explaining you in the latest 4 videos, deep explanation videos, you will not own the market. You will lose money all the time. And I'm doing this kind of videos to prevent this. You see, we got a purchasing line pattern, we got a retracement, and after the retracement we got the trend continuation. And that only because we have here some kind of slightly downtrend. So let me explain you those things first, and then we are getting into this stuff, and I will explain you each and everything, yes? So let me see. First of all, I have to cover this kind of topic. I have done the BOTT price action guide, the BOTT price action bible, the BOTT self-study module video pack 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I have done the BOTT mentorship program. And I have to cover this kind of questions because I get them always and again. What is the difference between the BOTT price action guide and the BOTT price action bible? Yes, the BOTT price action guide are 120 pages of illustrations. No explanation. The explanations are in the videos related to the pages of the BOTT price action guide. That is the reason why the price is different. Yes, the BOTT price action guide costs less because it's only illustrations. You need to watch the videos to understand each and every concept. Let me show you this. Okay, 1 second. So this kind of BOTT price action guide are only illustrations. You have to watch the videos. Above you have the link to the video. Watch the videos to understand each and every concept, yes, but you have to watch the videos to understand those kind of concepts because it are only illustrations. Yes, that is the BOTT price action guide. For example, we have here the no rejection trading setups. If you don't know how to apply them, yes, because you have here only this kind of illustrations, you don't know how to apply them. And that is the main problem, yes, because you have to watch the no rejection trading setup videos to understand that you have continuation trading setups, yes, which are in strong trends, and then you have the reversal trading setups, the no rejection trading setups, which are reversed, which are only applicable on healthy markets. That is the main difference. Yes, you have to study those things from my YouTube videos to understand those concepts which I have explained in the BOTT price action guide, yes, the black one. So the difference between the BOTT price action guide and the BOTT price action Bible, yes, is that the first of all, the BOTT price action guide is black. You find the link in the description, yes, and the BOTT price action Bible is white. And this white BOTT price action Bible contains not only much more pages, yes, because we have not only the illustrations, you have also the explanations. You have not only this explanation like you know it from other pages and other books, yes. Here you got everything what you need to know to own the market. And I show you this. You see here that you have here all things explained. For example, we have here the Pinocchio bar, the pin bar, yes, the kangaroo tail, or the sword, or call it how you want, because there are so many names for the pin bar, yes. And here is explained how to trade. And it's not only explained how you have to trade the bearish pin bar, it's also explained how is to trade the bullish pin bar and what you have to do to trade it properly. Yes, here you have the criteria, what should happen, that you have a pin bar, then you have the pattern psychology, what the psychology is behind this, why the pin bar is formed, then you have support and resistance based on it, then you have the entry point, where should be your entry point, and then how to trade it. And the most important part, which is only in the BOTT price action Bible and no other ebook is telling you this, what you should not do, yes, when you should not trade. That is what the BOTT price action Bible is. The BOTT price action Bible is dope. Yes, it is the most important and the best ebook about binary option. And the magic about this is that you cannot use it only for binary option. You can use it for any kind of financial instrument. Stock markets, cryptocurrencies, yes, everything, yes, every financial instrument, Forex, yes, everything, every time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, minutes, yeah, 1 hour, 5 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, week, yes, all kind of time frames, and for any kind of broker. You see, I have students, BOTT mentorship program students, which are using pocket option, who are using expert option, who are using binary.com, now not anymore because binary.com has removed the binary option for European traders, and IQ option, and all those kind of broker, yes, every kind of financial instrument, every kind of time frame, and any kind of broker. And here you get really guide. The Bible, with the Bible you get a guide how to own the market over and over again, yes. And if you study those kind of things, you will be a good trader when you are using this kind of Bible, the BOTT price action Bible, in combination, yes, with the video pack 1, 2, 3 or 4, yes, it depends obviously from the level. And you see here also the shooting star exactly explained how to trade the shooting star, what kind of criteria, how it should look like, yes, and when and how to trade and how not to trade, yes, what means when you have to avoid a trade. And that is explained for 270 pages, yes. Every kind of concept is explained in this kind of way, yes. And this BOTT price action Bible in combination with the video pack are magic. They will make you money. I get every day emails from my subscriber, emails from my students, and I get every day emails from those one who are watching only my videos, who bought this kind of Bible in combination with the video pack 1, yes, and they are so happy because I made them financial free, yes. That means they owned the market only by studying the BOTT price action Bible in combination with your video pack, yes. So the BOTT price action Bible, like I have explained before, 275 pages, you see this here, yes, of knowledge, yes. My knowledge, which I have gained in years of experience, and with detailed explanation. You can use the BOTT price action Bible without watching my videos, yes, because there is written everything, and your tradings will increase only by applying those things which I have explained in the BOTT Price Action Bible. So then we have the BOTT Mentorship Program self-study modules. These self-study modules are for those one who cannot join the BOTT mentorship program for various reasons. If you get rejected, if you have no time, if you have not the money, if you are not willing, yes, if you think you don't need this, if you are much more those kind of type who are studying your own. The video pack 1, 2, 3 and 4 are those things which you need to increase your trading skill, yes, to bring your trading to the next level. The video packs in combination with the BOTT Price Action Bible are dope, are magic. Yes, you will own the market if you apply those things which I'm telling you in the video pack 1, 2, 3 and 4. Video pack 1 is for the beginner, video pack 2 is for the moderate one, video pack 3 is for the advanced one, and video pack 4 is for those one who are becoming nearly pro. Those videos which are in the video pack again are not like those videos which I'm doing on the YouTube channel, yes, that are high educational videos which are the best video collection for anyone who wants to become a successful, consistent, profitable, full-time or part-time trader seriously, yes, because you get instant access to my core knowledge based on real trades from my students, yes. So you have to understand that this BOTT Mentorship Program self-study module is based on the BOTT Mentorship Program. That means those trades which have done my students, yes, from week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 of the BOTT Mentorship Program are in this kind of video packs. You get instant access to my core knowledge, which I have gained in years of experience, in combination with the BOTT Mentorship Program, with the BOTT Price Action Bible. You have everything you own to own the market. Yes, get those two, and I promise you, you will become a good trader if you apply those things which I'm explaining. So if you want obviously the next level, yes, you can get also in the BOTT Mentorship Program. That is a 4-week crash course, and this 4-week crash course has done almost more than 300 students, yes, to profitable full-time, consistently full-time and part-time traders, yes, in the last half a year. Yes, that means if you get into the BOTT Mentorship Program, and it's not so easy, you can still join for it, yes. You can enroll the application process by sending me an email with the subject BOTT Mentorship Program, yes. You send me an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com, and in this kind of yes, and with the subject BOTT Mentorship Program, and that will enroll the application process. The most important question which I get: what are the fee for the BOTT Mentorship Program? And I can tell you only, there is no fixed fee. Earlier you start with the application process, better you get through the application process, less you have to pay. Why is this the reason? Because I will reward those one who are willing to become successful, profitable, part-time, full-time trader. Those one who are willing to do this, and I see that they want to do this, yes, I see the engagement of those kind of students, yes, they will pay less because, and also depending of your, obviously of your knowledge. You have to go through 8 steps of the application process, and there I see how good you are. And if you go through this application process really well, then it's really clearly that I won't not ask you so much money, because you know already so much, yes. So I don't need to ask you for money, because the 4-week crash course will hold or will stay only 4 weeks, yes. But if you don't know nothing, yes, and you apply for the BOTT Mentorship Program and you got rejected, for example, yes, then you have to understand that you have to learn much more. Yes, that is why the BOTT Mentorship Program is so successful. Yes, because I don't accept everybody. You have to go through the application process. Yes, and the application process is for free. Earlier you start with the application process, better you get through the application process, less you have to pay. There is no fixed fee to pay. Yes, it depends almost from your skill, it depends from your engagement, your motivation. Yes, because I have no time to waste. You see, and that is what I want from my students. Yes, they have to go through the application process, that I understand what is your skill, and then depending on this, you get your special customized fee, which you have to pay for the BOTT mentorship program. But first of all, before you're going to pay, yes, you have to go through the application process, and that is not so easy. Yes, the application process is a really long-term application process. That means you have to do a lot of steps, and they are not so easy. Yes, you have to engage with it. Yes, and after this, you can join the BOTT mentorship program if you are a graduated student, and then you become you will be mentored by me. Yes, and maybe in the future I will give it to my mentors as soon as I find those one who are willing to do this, and also if I find a way to do this, because at the moment I'm working on this for the future. Okay, that are the most important questions. Yes, which I try to answer always often. Yes, because that is almost the same stuff and almost the same questions which I get, and I want to clarify those things, because at the end I'm asking, yes, because I don't want to answer and to waste my time answering always the same question. I know already that I get this kind of questions again and again. Yes, but much more often I will do this in the videos. Much more less the question will be, I hope. Yes, and so I can dedicate my time by doing videos, fundamental theory videos, yes, and live trading videos, and maybe I will do also some live webinars in the future, or some masterclass for those one who want one-by-one trading with me. I don't know this at the moment, because I have a lot of projects for the future, but you know, my time is limited. Yes, and so I don't know when I will do this, but I'm working on such kind of things. We will see what the future will bring. So, okay, now again, all the links which you need to understand where to get the BOTT price action guide, you find the link in the description. Where you get the BOTT price action Bible, you find the link in the description. You have to scroll down, then you will find it. Yes, and then also the video packs can be found in the description. And to enroll the application process for the BOTT mentorship program, you need only to send me an email, empty email, to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com with the subject BOTT mentorship program. Earlier you start to doing this, yes, to enroll the application process, much higher is the probability that you get mentored by me, because I have explained this so often. I will not do this forever. I will extend this time, because I got so many questions from my applicants who want to be mentored by me. So I will do this maybe for this year. Next year I will most probably giving this up to my BOTT mentors, which I have already generated through my BOTT mentorship program. I have done already so many successful, profitable part-time and full-time trader that they will be also able to educate each and everyone, and that is the reason what I will give them to them at the 2020. Yes, for this year I will do this. So if you want to get mentored by me, you have to hurry up a little bit. Yes, because I will not do this forever. So okay, that was this one. The combination of the BOTT price action Bible with the video pack 1 is magic. Yes, this is what you need to become already successful, profitable. Yes, if you apply those things which I'm explaining in my BOTT price action Bible and with the video pack 1, those kind of combination is already magic. Yes, you can do this. With this you can own the market. You will make money. Yes, you can make money with this, but if you need more, yes, and you want to don't spend too much time on trading, and you want to get to the next level, then you can join the BOTT mentorship program. And those one who already bought the video pack 1, yes, bought also the video pack 2, video pack 3 and video pack 4, because those information which I have put in this kind of videos, which I have done for my BOTT mentorship program students, have all those kind of information what you need based on real trades with real account, and also with where the trader, yes, so at the end the trader has done a mistake or has done good trades, and I tell you exactly what you have done good, what you have done wrong, what you could do better, what you should avoid, those kind of things, yes, which I'm telling you also in the BOTT price action Bible. But you have to select this kind of information, yes, but I'm giving it to you with this video packs, and in combination with the BOTT price action Bible, you have everything what you need to own the market. So now I will get into the topic, and the topic where we talk about how to trade price action patterns with candlestick math and candlestick psychology. So let me show you this here. Yes, we have here this kind of preparation. I have prepared this for you. Yes, I have prepared this already in front of you because I have done this video already before on the weekend, and because I didn't provide you with all informations, I have to do this again because I want to cover each and everything. And you have seen this trade here, which I have done. We got here a pullback back to key level. Yes, and because we got this pullback back to key level in this kind of ranging market, price retraced back, yes, to key level, and here we got a trend continuation, yes, because this candle stopped at this support and resistance level, and then I entered into a put option. I didn't got a better entry point, but that was what I want to get. Yes, I waited that the price got up, and after the price got up, I have done a put option because I followed the trend, and that is what I want to explain you in this kind of deep explanation video. Look at this. How to trade price action patterns with candlestick math and candlestick typology based on price action. Yes, and here you see, if you have this kind of scenario, and we are not watching at the moment at the wicks, we are not watching at the moment, we are only watching the real bodies, and when we have a doji, we have to watch for the wicks too, yes, because the wicks of a doji, I have explained this over and over again, are support and resistance, and also of other candlestick patterns with long wicks. So let me show you this. We have a downtrend, and that is what I'm trying to explain over and over and again. If you have a minor downtrend and you have a major downtrend, yes, here we had here major downtrend 200, 150, 20. We have a minor downtrend initiated by this engulfing candle, retracement back to key level, continuation, morning star which didn't unfold, another trend continuation, break out of this key level, pull back to the key level, trend continuation. Yes, that was what I have done. That is what I show you here. We have a downtrend. We got this kind of doji-like candle, but it can't be everything. It's ideal. It's an ideal form. Yes. And after this candle, what are you doing here? In general, you should, depending on the trends, yes, you should do nothing else than a trend continuation. And if you have a healthy market, you do a reversal trade here and you do a call. But in general, if the price is touching the resistance level here, which is formed by the upper shadow, and here I will show you this again and again, yes, because so many do not understand that everything what I'm explaining here is really, how can I tell you this, is really based on everything what I'm explaining over and over again. Let me see, what kind of page is it? You see, let me see if I can show this about price action Bible, and you see, here are so many explanations. So, here we have this candlestick. You see this kind of candlestick pattern here. This candlestick pattern are showing how to draw support and resistance line based on candlestick pattern part 1. That is one of those pages, yes, where I can tell you, watch this video. You see the upper shadow of a shooting star, of a doji, yes, in this case of a gravestone doji, yes. Here that would be a dragonfly doji, this would be a gravestone doji. The upper shadow of the gravestone doji, shooting star, and so on are resistance. The lower shadow of a dragonfly doji is support, and that is what I have explained here in this kind of thing. You see, everything what I'm teaching you in this 1.5 years is all based on those kind of stuff. They're all working together like a gear. You cannot watch only one thing alone. You have to understand the complex combination, and that is what I'm showing you here on this kind of video packs. In this video pack I'm showing you exactly what kind of concept gone right, what you have to learn to become a successful profitable trader, yes, in combination with the white BOTT price action Bible, where everything is explained also for the dummies, yes, for those one who never have traded before, who are coming from strategies where they are waiting for the crossing of EMAs, yes. Those kind of BOTT price action Bible is really for everyone, because you don't need to know anything. You are coming straight from other YouTube videos which are scamming you, which are telling you that you have with this kind of strategy 100% win ratio. Don't believe them. That are only scammers. But you can come with this kind of knowledge, and then you apply those things what I have teach you, or what I'm teaching you in my YouTube videos and on the BOTT price action Bible, in combination with the video pack 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you can own the market on your own by applying this. And this is the proof. Yes, here you see that I'm telling you the whole story. That is nothing, no secret. Yes, that is the whole story. I'm showing you the right price action stuff. That's what I had to learn on the hard way. I have burned money, I have studied a lot, I have practiced a lot, yes, I have lost money also on trading, yes, but I have earned this on my own, and that's the reason why I can do this kind of stuff here, why I can explain you those kind of things, because I got through them, all of this kind of stuff. So you see here, resistance level, put option, yes, call option on support level, yes. So let me show you what I mean here on this, because I want to educate you right today with this kind of stuff, how to trade price action patterns. So we have a downtrend. We got this kind of gravestone doji. Your trade should be, and that is what the magic is, in a strong downtrend, you have to do a put option on resistance in a downtrend, and that is why I'm writing down here trend continuation, yes, because your goal should be a trend continuation in a downtrend, yes, that should be your goal, yes, because you have to follow the minor trend, and if you can follow also the major trend, yes, that is almost dope, that is magic, that will be 80% of win ratio, yes, or much more, yes, if you are following this, and that is done like this, because you have to understand where the support and resistance level is based on the candlestick patterns and the chart patterns which you have in front of you. Obviously, you have here not only a resistance level, you have only a support level. In a healthy market, you have here below the support level, yes, but you need a confirmation. That means if price, and that is what I'm talking on the next video, which I'm going to do about the wicks. We are not covering the wicks at the moment. We are covering only the real body, yes, and of the dojis. It's obviously that we have to talk about the wicks because the dojis has no real body or a small real body, and so I have to cover this. So we have this kind of stuff here. So, and that means that if you have a downtrend, you follow the trend, yes, or you get any kind of confirmation then that this kind of support level is a strong one, or the trend is not strong one. For example, in a ranging market, yes, in a ranging market, you can expect a reversal instead of a continuation, yes, because price will not touch this level here before. That is means you wait that price goes up, and that is what I have explained about the about the purchase time and the expiration time. Watch this video, that is really important, and watch also the other 4 videos which I have done here. That was this one here, how to identify trend strains. Yes, that is really important. You see here, I have explained exactly how you have to read the major trend, the minor trend based on candlestick pattern, Bollinger Band, EMAs, yes, and the candlestick pattern itself. Watch the video about how to trade wicks in trend. Yes, here I have explained exactly where you have to be to trade the wicks properly. Yes, and then watch also this kind of video. Yes, what means wick crossing, wick touching, and wick not touching. Yes, that are those kind of basic stuff which you have to cover before you can understand those things which I'm explaining you today. Yes, because if this wick here is crossing the resistance level, in this case like this, and this is what I missed last time to explain. Yes, let me show you this. If this wick is, for example, crossing, yes, this wick is crossing the support and resistance level, yes, like this, because it's then you can expect that the next candle will be most probably a small bullish one or a good bullish one. It depends obviously of the trend. It depends from the distance to the Bollinger Bands, to deviation Bollinger Band, and so on and so on. Yes, that is what I mean. Yes, I can show you this what you should do most of the time. Yes, but in general, yes, it depends from all those kind of concepts which I'm explaining over and over again. Yes, where I'm showing you exactly. Yes, I'm showing you exactly what you have to do. The only thing what you should do is applying this kind of stuff and be patient. So, okay, let me see. So, if you have this kind of scenario, you have a downtrend, now you have a strong downtrend, you do put option on resistance in a downtrend, and where do you do the put option? On the key level or on the upper shadow of the doji, gravestone doji, because this is resistance. Price goes up, and on the movement down you do a put, yes, and you should try to get into this trade above the closing price of the previous candle. That means here you should enter above the resistance level, because here it's not enough that you enter above it. Yes, you have to wait that price gonna rejection from this level, because you follow the trend. If you have a healthy market, then you have to use this kind of level. If you have a 20 EMA here, if you have a 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 100 EMA, or 200 EMA, or at least all the Bollinger Band, yes, then you can expect that there will be a reversal. Yes, don't do a trend continuation in a ranging market after the price has touched the Bollinger Band. Yes, that is not the way. That is what I mean when you have to understand all those kind of things which I'm telling you when I'm doing this kind of videos and explaining the same stuff again. And I get comments like, blah blah blah, what kind of theory stuff, we don't need this for theory stuff, we want seeing your live trading. But for my live trading you don't understand those kind of concepts. Those things which I'm telling you now are those hints, those kind of fundamental stuff which you need to own the market, because nobody else is telling you this. Yes, they are doing translations of their demonstration videos, live trading videos, but they are not explaining you anything. Did you ever heard something from that one what I have explained yesterday on my latest video about trading hits, about the Bollinger Band, that a flat Bollinger Band is showing you support and resistance level? Who is telling you this? I'm the only one. Yes, because I know what I'm talking about. Yes, I'm from the business. I'm the only one in this financial industry, yes, which are trying to educate you really, yes, and that is what my students know, that is what my subscriber know, yes, and that is what they love me for, yes, because they know that I'm not telling some kinds of fables. I'm telling you the truth, yes, and that is what the reality is. So, okay, that is what I'm telling you. That is trend continuation. Then, because we are talking about how to trade price action patterns with candlestick math and candlestick psychology, the next scenario is this one. We have an opening price. The opening price is here. Let me show you this. The opening price is here. The video will be again long. So the opening price is here. The closing price is here. We have here, when we're doing candlestick math, watch the video about candlestick math to understand what I'm doing here. We have here a dragonfly doji. And so we have here a support level. That means if you have two candles which are nearly the same high, yes, which are nearly the same high, that means in general that we have here a reversal scenario, and the next candle you have to do here a call option, yes, a call option on support, and the support level is here. That means the weighted price goes down to this support level, and then you enter into a call option. Don't do a put, yes, in this kind of scenario, because that means already that the trend has lost momentum. That means that the steam of the trend has lost, and that means that you have to trade a reversal most of the time. Don't do trend continuation if you are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, or even if you have flat EMAs. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. So then we got the next scenario, and the next scenario is that what I have done here. Yes, we have here a pullback to the key level, and then I have done here the trend continuation, and that is shown you here. We have a breakout of any kind of support and resistance level. Here that was support. This candle is breaking through. This breaking through, getting another candle. We are not talking about wicks, because if there are wicks, the scenario will change a little bit, but in general you have to care about the real body. How is the closing price in relation to the previous candle, opening price or closing price of the previous candle, and how it's the relation between this, yes, with the wicks. If you have wicks show you the pressure, yes, and I will do another video about this one in the future, where I get much more in detail about this. But if you have a downtrend and you got this kind of candle which is not breaking through the 50% level of the previous candle, which is a resistance level, or even the opening price, that is this one here, of the previous candle, then you have an inside bar. Also, if the wick is bigger and breaking through it, yes, it's almost an inside bar, and you have to follow the trend. That is what I'm telling you. Trend continuation. That means put option on resistance in a downtrend. Price breaks through, retrace back to the key level, yes, stop at this level, put option as a continuation. Nothing more than this. This is one of the most easiest trade, the trend continuation trade, but you have to care about if you have an inside bar, and that what happening is then is nothing else than a pullback or last kiss, which I have explained also in my BOTT price action Bible, and you will see also in the video packs, yes, that that is the stuff, all the same stuff over and over again. So then the last one, because I have to brought this video to the end, yes, the next step is if you have a reversal pattern, an outside bar or a breakout of a support and resistance level, yes. Here we have this kind of engulfing candle. It's only a linear form, yes. It's only an engulfing candle. It can't be a morning star. It can't be an evening star. It can't be everything. Exhaustion candle, all those kind of stuff. That are almost reversal patterns. That means the next candle will most probably opposite or a trend continuation of or opposite color. You have to understand this. So we got here an engulfing candle. This candle is a breakout. Here outside bar breakout. Breakout of this support level. Why? Because the opening price is broken by the next candle, yes, and also if it's going to break through the 50% level. Let me show you this. If it's going to, because this is what the piercing pattern is, or the or here this one here, the 50% level. This is a piercing pattern, yes, or you got a here on the dark cloud cover, yes, the 50% level. If you got the 50% level broken, you have a dark cloud cover, yes, and that is almost also a reversal pattern. Then you have to follow the new upcoming trend. But it depends also from the market condition. If you have a ranging market, you can expect that the next candle will be a retracement. That means here we have almost ranging market, flat EMAs. That means that we got here a retracement after a piercing line pattern. I have seen this piercing line pattern. I know that this candle will be not a strong bearish one. I knew that this was a weak bearish candle, because we have ranging market, we have a piercing pattern which is initiating a small uptrend. yes, and that's the reason why I entered it. And what I told you, the next candle will be a bullish one, and the next candle was a bullish one. That is what I'm explaining here. You got this kind of piercing line pattern, yes, which is the same like an engulfing candle. You got a retracement, and after this, the trend will continue to going up. So that was everything what I want to explain you already on the weekend, last weekend, but I didn't got it this in this kind of really detail. I have done this now. I try to educate you well. I don't want to hear some bad comments like last week where I had to read blah blah blah. We don't want to hear your theoretical stuff. This is what you need to understand to own the market. In combination, that stuff which I have educated you in the BOTT price action Bible, in combination with the video pack 1, is everything what you need to know to own the market. And if you want to become really a good trader, a really professional trader, you can join the BOTT mentorship program by sending me an email, an empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com, and then you can bring your trading to the next level, or you do it on your own, yes, if you have no time, with the BOTT price action Bible, because here is everything. I get every day a lot of thank you mails only because I have created this kind of BOTT price action Bible, and those one who are sending me what they have acquired, what they have purchased based on this money which they have earned through the trading, they are going yes, they are really happy, and that is what I'm working for. Yes, I want that you become financial free based on a binary option, thanks to my BOTT price action Bible in combination with the video pack 1, or if you want to be mentored by me, by the BOTT mentorship program. So that was it already, yes. If you like this video, do a like. Don't forget to do a like, because you need to motivate me, because this kind of stuff is really time consuming for me. Yes, I'm doing this especially for those one for you, because I see so many scammer videos, 100% strategy, all translations in all languages of the same stuff. They are doing live trading, do explain nothing. They have no, how can I say, there's no fundament, no stuff behind this. Yes, they are only telling this is selling pressure, this is a buyer's pressure, this is buyer's area selling pressure. They don't tell you anything, but I'm telling you exactly what you need to become a successful, profitable trader, and this all for free on my YouTube videos. Yes, and you can bring your trading to the next level if you purchase my BOTT price action Bible with the BOTT video mentorship program, video pack 1, 2, 3 or 4, yes, depending on your level. And yes, and that is what I'm working for. So that was it. If you like this video, do a like. Don't forget to like it. If you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. I answer as soon as I have time. Each and every comment, yes. If you have questions, do this, yes. And in this case, I would say, stay safe, yes, and bye-bye.